Want to make $300 a day from trading and quit your 9 to 5 job? Is it really possible? Hi, I'm Uldis from AllThisTrading, and today we are talking about whether making $300 a day from trading is realistic or just a dream. Let's be honest, many people want to trade full time, but most beginners get overwhelmed by the markets, bad advice, and losing money. I've been there, and I've seen others struggle too. So let's figure out it together. First, the numbers. $300 a day. That's $6,000 a month. That's way better than most jobs, right? But here's the thing. Trading isn't a steady paycheck. To make $300 a day, you need first a good strategy, enough starting capital, and consistency. For example, with a $10,000 account, you would need a 3% daily return. That's tough, but doable with the right plan. The problem? Most beginners jump in without a trading strategy, lose money, and quit. Sounds familiar? How we can help? That's why we created a free AllThisTrading community. For the past year, we've been talking to traders worldwide, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, to find out what really and actually works. So in our community, you can learn from experienced traders, get a free real-time trading signals, try out our algo trading system at no cost, get support for crypto, stock, and more. Well, the risk, or the big risk, making $300 a day, even that sounds great, but one bad trade can wipe out weeks of profit. That's why we teach risk management, like using stop losses and controlling emotions, fear, and greed. Our free community isn't just about signals, it's about learning real skills. Imagine going from confused beginner to confident trader, all while keep your daily job until you are ready. Can $300 a day replace your job? Well, maybe. If you can't do it consistently, that's $6,000-7,000 a month after taxes and expenses. That could replace an average salary, but if you rush it unprepared, you lose the money. So start small, use our free resources, and build confidence. Our 8-week beginners course, just 2 to 3 hours per week, is perfect for busy people with jobs or families. If you want extra help, here it is. This month, we are offering 15 free sponsorship spots for serious traders. You'll get personal guidance, algo trading opportunities, a network of traders to learn from, and of course, use of our Pro Trader daily signals. Whether you want extra income or full-time trading career, the key is simple. Stop guessing, start learning, and use proven tools. If you are ready to see if trading can replace your job, just simply join our free AllThisTrading community today at allthistrading.com. Check it out, message us, and let's see if we are a good fit. Don't wait. Financial freedom could start today. Thanks for reaching out, and see you in the community.